Hi children, welcome to our online class. Today's lesson is on the special context of Second World War. The special context of Second World War. Context means situation. The special situation leads to Second World War. That means the reasons for Second World War. In our previous class, we discussed the main reasons for the two world wars. We have discussed four reasons. What are those four reasons? Nationalism, aggressive nationalism, imperialism, secret alliances, militarism. Those four causes led to First World War, and also there were the reasons for Second World War. Here are the another reasons. These are the another reasons for Second World War. The first point is the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles. Before going into discuss this point, we have to recall some points. The First World War started on 28 June 1914 with the assassination with the murder of Archduke Franz Ferdinand by a Serbian fanatic. The First World War started exactly after one month after the incident. The incident took place on June 28. The First World War started on July 28, 1914. It continued up to 11 November 1918. Continued up to 11 November 1918. But the agreement, but the treaty among the nations took place on 28 June 1919. The Treaty of Versailles. Treaty means a formal agreement between two or more countries. The formal agreement between two or more countries. Versailles is the name of a palace. This palace is near Paris. Do you know where the Paris is? Okay. Paris is the capital of France. This treaty happened in Versailles Palace. So that was named as the Treaty of Versailles. This is the main reason for the Second World War. Let us look into how this reason led to Second World War. The Treaty of Versailles held on 28 June 1919. This was a big conference. This was a big conference held after the completion after the ending of First World War. It was attended by 32 national delegations. That means 32 countries sent their delegations to the Treaty of Versailles. They represented nearly 3/4 of the population of the world. These 32 countries represented nearly 3/4 of the world population. The five victorious powers convened this conference. What were the five victorious powers? The first one is USA. USA means America, United States of America. The second one is Britain. The third one is France. The fourth one is Italy. The fifth one is Japan. These five countries were the victorious powers at that time. What were the defeated powers? What were the vanquished powers? Those are, the first one is Germany, the second one is Austria, the third one is Bulgaria, the fourth one is Turkey. These five are victorious powers. These four are vanquished powers. That means defeated powers. Let us look at these countries in this old map. Where is USA? USA. This is USA. This is USA. That means America, USA. Where is Britain? This is Britain. This island is Britain. Where is France? This is France. This is France. Where is Italy? This peninsula is Italy. This peninsula is Italy. Where is Japan? The group of these four islands is commonly called as Japan. These four islands, Japan. These five are victorious powers. These four are vanquished powers or defeated powers. Where is Germany? Germany is here. Germany is here. Germany. Where is Austria? Austria is here. Where is Bulgaria? Bulgaria is here. Where is Turkey? Turkey is here. Turkey is here. The peace treaty held between these 32 countries. 32 countries. 32 countries. These five countries attended the peace conference. These five countries attended the peace conference. But none of these was invited to this conference. They did not invite Germany, Austria, Bulgaria, Turkey, and also Russia. They did not invite Russia also. They did not invite Russia also. What is the reason for that? Russia withdrew its forces in 1917 after the October Revolution succeeded in that village, in that country. Russia withdrew its forces in the middle of the World War, First World War. So they did not invite Russia also. They imposed they did not invite Russia also. They imposed sanctions on these four countries. They imposed conditions, various conditions. For example, they imposed conditions and the sanctions on Germany. What were they? Let us discuss them. Germany was asked to return the colonies in Africa. Germany was asked to return its colonies in Africa to Allied powers. Germany was asked to return its European territories like Alsace and Lorraine to France. Even in Europe also, Germany lost some territories because of this Versailles Treaty. Germany was asked not to have submarines. Germany was asked not to have submarines. They did not allow to have submarines. Germany was allowed only 6 battleships, 6 battleships, a dozen torpedo boats, a dozen torpedo boats, a dozen destroyers. This is the power of Germany. This is a limited power. Why did these countries behave like that? They want to suppress Germany. They want to suppress Germany. Because of these reasons, the people of Germany made angry over these victorious powers. And they began to ready Second World War. This is about Germany. Austria was also imposed conditions. Bulgaria was also imposed conditions. Turkey was also suffered a lot. Turkey also suffered a lot because of the Treaty of Versailles. Even these two countries also were not satisfied with the Versailles Treaty. Italy was part of Triple Alliance in 1882. In our previous class, we learned that Italy was part of Triple Alliance, but it did not take part in the First World War on the side of Germany. It entered a war in April 1915 on behalf of Allied powers. It gave hand to Triple Alliance countries. Why did Italy behave like that? These countries, USA, Britain and France, promised Italy to give more territories after the ending of First World War. In this way, Italy changed its party from this side to this side. But Italy was not satisfied in Treaty of Versailles. The Italian people believed that they were cheated by the Allied powers. So they became very close to Germany. After the First World War, they became very close to Germany. Next, Japan. Japan was also promised to give more territories in Asia. After the ending of First World War, in the Treaty of Versailles, Japan was not satisfied. So Japan was also unhappy over these countries. So these two countries moved from this group to this group for the Second World War. These three countries formed an alliance. Germany, Italy, and Japan formed an alliance named Axis Powers. These Axis powers fought against Allied powers in the Second World War. In this way, the Treaty of Versailles created seeds for the Second World War. Our next point is the League of Nations. The Treaty of Versailles set up an international organization named the League of Nations. It was the association of world countries. Woodrow Wilson of USA. Woodrow Wilson was the president at the time. Woodrow Wilson played a key role in the formation of League of Nations. He played a key role in the formation of League of Nations. But American Parliament did not give approval to him to join League of Nations. So America did not join the League of Nations. Germany was not invited to League of Nations. Even Russia was also not invited to League of Nations. Russia was also did not invited to League of Nations. Germany, Russia and America, these three powers were not members of the League of Nations. So automatically it became weak. By 1934, only 58 countries were the members. By 1934, only 58 countries were the members of League of Nations. League of Nations established some international agencies for the welfare activities. It formed ILO, WHO, and ICJ. The League of Nations established ILO. ILO stands for International Labour Organization. This organization worked for the welfare of labor. This organization is even working now. The second one is WHO. WHO stands for World Health Organization. It was established to take care of the health of the people of the world. ICJ. It stands for International Court of Justice. ICJ was established to resolve disputes between countries. In this way, the League of Nations tried to prevent Second World War, but it was not succeeded in its efforts. These three were the organs of League of Nations: International Labour Organization, World Health Organization, and International Court of Justice. Now these three are part of UNO. We will discuss UNO in our next lesson. The League of Nations was very weak because of its low membership. The more powerful countries did not take part, did not become the members of that organization. It finally failed. To prevent from the attacking of prevent Germany and Italy from violating international laws. Germany, Italy, Italy and Japan. Attacked their neighboring countries. But the League of Nations did not stop them. These three countries violated the international rules and regulations. In this aspect also, the League of Nations failed. The failure of League of Nations leads to Second World War. Our next point is German challenge to vengeful domination. Vengeful means revengeful. In the Treaty of Versailles, Germany was humiliated. The conditions of the Treaty of Versailles were slavish to Germans. They were not invited to the conference, but the imposed sanctions, but the imposed conditions of Germany. Germany had to pay huge amounts as war penalties. Germany lost its colonies in Africa, and Germany also lost its territories like Alsace and Lorraine in Europe. All these things enraged the people of Germany. So the German people encouraged the leader Hitler. His name was Hitler. Hitler enraged the people, and he promised a lot of things. He promised to return the colonies in Africa. He promised to return the Alsace and Lorraine regions. He promised to establish power in the Central Europe. He established the power of Germans in the Central Europe. He made so many promises to the people. In 1993, he became the Chancellor of Germany. In 1993, he became the Chancellor of Germany. Chancellor means the president of Germany. In 1993, within 6 years, he made a massive army. Within 6 years, he made a massive army and armament factories. And he made the people to cooperate to him to do war with Allied powers. The next point is the fear of socialism and the USSR. The disastrous results of the World War I caused the great social upheavals, the great social disruptions all over Europe, and the workers turned to the ideology of socialism and communism. The workers were attracted to socialism and communism. Peace movements have gained more popularity. In 1917, a communist revolution took place in Russia. In that year, they got power from the Tsar. What is the meaning of Tsar? Tsar is the name of the Tsar is the title of the Russian emperor. He killed the Tsar and gained power into their hands. Who gained powers? The farmers and workers of Russia gained power. That is a communist revolution. After getting power, they entered into an agreement with Hitler. They entered into agreements with Germany, not with Hitler. Germany, they withdrew their forces in the First World War and started peace negotiations with Germany. First, they want to provide bread to their people. They wanted to provide minimum facilities to the people. So they withdrew from the First World War. But at the same time, the Western capitalist countries feared the same revolution took place in the other European countries. They feared about the communist revolution. They expected there may be some other revolutions in the other European countries. That is a different ideology from capitalism. Communism versus to capitalism. So they feared about the ideology of socialism and communism. So these countries, USA, Britain and France, these countries encouraged Hitler against Russia. Hitler was also against socialism and communism. These are the Western powers. This is Russia. This is Germany. Germany is between these two powers. These are Western powers. This is Russia. So these countries encouraged Hitler initially. At the initial stages, at the beginning stages, these Allied powers encouraged Hitler against Russia. They think that Germany will become a buffer zone between Russia and Western powers. But in 1939, Hitler made an agreement with Russia. What was that agreement? Germany and Russia entered into a non-aggression pact. Non-aggression pact means Germany and Russia did not attack on each other. These two countries did not attack on each other. They made an agreement between them. After made an agreement with Russia, Hitler turned to Britain and France. Hitler turned to Britain and France. Britain and France. He made all arrangements and he attacked Poland on 1st September 1939. After the attack on Poland, Britain and France entered into war with Germany. At that time, Russia did not participate in the war. What was the reason for that? Russia had a pact with Germany not to attack on it. Until 1943, until 1941, Russia did not. 1941, June 22. Until 1941, June 22, Russia did not involve in the Second World War. But on that time, Hitler invaded Russia against the non-aggression pact. He did not respect the non-aggression pact and he invaded Russia on 22 June 1941. So Russia entered into war on the Britain and France sides. In the same year, Japan attacked on USA. These are Hawaii Islands. In December 1941, Japanese aircrafts, Japanese warplanes attacked Pearl Harbor. Pearl Harbor and destroyed its almost all the harbor. So US was also involved. In the Second World War. In 1941, there is a mistake in your textbook. It was given 1942, but the actual year is 1942. 1941. In 1941, both Russia and USA entered into war. Until then, Hitler had the upper hand. After the entering of these two powers, Hitler was defeated. He was defeated in 1945 and committed suicide as the Russian forces surrendered the Berlin. He committed suicide himself in 1945, April 30. In this way, these were the four another reasons, in addition to 4 reasons which was said in our previous class. Okay, once again we recapitulate these issues. The Treaty of Versailles, that was the first reason for the Second World War. It was held on 28 June 1919. 32 countries participated in that conference. All the victorious powers participated in that meeting, and the vanquished powers and Russia were not invited to that peace conference. Peace conference. They imposed many sanctions. They imposed many sanctions on Germany, Austria, Turkey, Bulgaria, etc.